The question of how to create passive income is a question I get asked all too often, and I would like to discuss what, in my opinion, is the best way to create a semi-passive income. And I use the term semi-passive, as there's no such thing as a true passive income. True passive income means your money is generated in a way where you don't have to lift a finger. Now, even if you deposit money into a savings account and earn interest, you still have had to do some work in the form of making the deposit. However, you can look at building a recurring income, which becomes a form of passive income after the initial input of time, energy, to reach the desired outcome. Now, in my opinion, the best way to create passive income is with subscription services.
I really want to keep this as low as possible, not to create huge expectations. So let's look at something like the Netflix Pro subscription, which is $19.99, but let's call it $20. And because it's a digital product, let's just assume you can get a 50% commission, which is $10. And let's say that in your first month, you only manage to make one sale per week. So that would be 4 sales. Now, as you can see, that would be a $40 commission. Now, the next month, you manage to do 4 sales again across the month. But because the 4 sales that you did in the previous month also renew their subscription, you have now made the $40 plus the $40 for this month, which totals to $80. So with this in mind, let's just continue and say the next month you do 4 sales again. And the month after that, let's pick it up to 6. 6 again, 6 again. Let's put it up to 8. 8 again. Take it up to 10. Maybe 10 sales again. And now you're starting to get 12 sales a month. So that would leave you with a total of $900 per month that you are earning without doing any extra work. You would have earned $4,700 for the year. And if you leave it as this, and you just continue making your $900 every month, for the next year or in the next year, you would be earning $10,800 that year. Now, what I would like to do is just take it up a slight notch and not work on a $20 subscription, but rather work on something like $100 and just show you what the potential is there. So now with a $100 subscription with a 50% commission, you'll be making $50 per sale. We keep the sales the same. The first month, you would already be earning $200. And as they renew their subscription and you make your next 4 sales, you would be looking at $400, $600, which will bring you to a total earning of $4,500 per month every month. For the year, you would have made $23,500. And again, if you do nothing else, you to make no more sales, you would be earning $54,000 for the year to come.
I'm sure you can see why this is not a get-rich overnight thing, but a long-term sustainable income with enormous potential to create passive income in the long run. I've put together a free step-by-step guide to help you start creating passive income. So just please click on the link in the comment section.